Hey, what's going on guys, Jacob Blaze here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a brand new theme to your MyBB forum and a admin control panel theme as well. So to start with, we want to get the theme we want as well as the admin control panel theme. I have both Flatty and admin CP. I think it's called Dark Navy. So what we want to do is we want to go into templates and style, click import theme, local file. We want to choose Flatty theme and then just choose theme. Make sure that ignore version compatibility is ticked. Then we want to go ahead and click import theme and then click themes, and then I'll just go with Flatty alternative. And then if I go back to view forum, it's not really much different. However, if we force it on users, so this is the alternative. Okay, so it's light. Okay, so if we just choose that, this is the original version. Okay, so effectively you now have installed your theme for your forum. Now to install your admin CP theme, you need to go into preferences, where it says admin control panel theme. Stay on this page. By default, this will not appear for you. It will just say use default and default. So what you have to do is go into FileZilla, htdocs, or wherever it is it's located, admin, styles, and then you want to go ahead and drag and drop this folder into your styles folder. Once you've done that, return to this page and then go to admin control panel theme, refresh the page if you haven't done already, and then click admin dark navy, then click save personal notes and preferences, and it's now changed your theme. Now obviously with the themes, if you want one specific theme, you can actually force the themes on the users, which is okay. That's alright actually. So yeah, that's how you create a theme, or import a theme, and that's how you import an admin control panel theme. Thank you very much for watching guys. If you like what you saw and you want to see more of the content, please leave a like, leave a comment. Feel free to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.